The video you're about to see addresses the containment of leaks that could occur in chlorine cylinders. While leaks in these cylinders rarely occur, prompt corrective action by trained personnel using special equipment is required. The Chlorine Institute Emergency Kit A featured in this video contains the latest recommended additions and revisions, Edition 12. Note: this video also includes, for reference, instructions for A kits manufactured prior to January 2013. Refer to the Chlorine Institute's online bookstore for the most current information. The information in this video and the Chlorine Institute Emergency Kit A instruction booklet for 100 and 150-pound chlorine cylinders is drawn from sources believed to be reliable. Users must be aware that changing technology may require a change in the equipment or the instructions concerning their use. Appropriate steps should be taken to ensure that the material is current when used. This video is designed and intended solely to aid qualified instructors in providing training and not as a substitute for such training. For leaks Kit A is not designed to stop, the Chlorine Institute recovery vessel is available. Current DOT regulations require the reporting of any release in transportation via Form 5800. All transportation releases, no matter the quantity, require reporting to the DOT. Basically, if you can see it, smell it, or hear it during the transportation function, it requires reporting to the DOT. Chlorine emergency should be handled by your trained on-site personnel. Regardless of the quantity released, any problems or releases involving chlorine cylinders should be reported to your supplier. They can offer valuable advice and assistance in handling a chlorine emergency. If the supplier cannot be reached or cannot respond immediately, get help by activating ChlorRep, the Chlorine Emergency Plan. Call the dispatch agency for assistance, Chemtrec in the United States, and Canutech in Canada. Before any attempt is made to find and correct leaks, personnel must be fully trained in the proper use of the tools and devices of this kit. This training must also include a knowledge of chlorine and its properties, the proper respiratory protection to use, and the proper protective clothing to use with chlorine. The Chlorine Institute Kit A is designed for use with standard-approved chlorine cylinders only. The kit is not designed for, nor should be used on, a cylinder determined to be liquid full. The kit contains special wrenches to ensure safe chlorine cylinder valve operation and application of the kit devices. Use only these wrenches. Leaks should be handled only by trained and properly protected workers. They must work in pairs and never alone. Leaks can usually be found using ammonia vapors from a squeeze bottle partially filled with aqua ammonia. Kit A contains the tools and devices designed to contain leaks that may occur in and around the cylinder valve and in the cylinder sidewall.